Radack is the Homeland Security Director for the Government Accountability Project and a blogger at dailycoast.com, and she joins us now. Welcome to the show. First of all, what is the status of the OPR investigation that seemed to be dragging along under the Bush administration? Has it picked up speed now with the Obama Justice Department?
I wonder if you're talking about the investigation against me or against you and Bybee. The one against you and Bybee has only picked up speed. In fact, it is unclear to me why Attorney General Mukasey deliberately delayed release of the report until now.
Well, Jesselyn, the Bradbury memos, let's start there. Those still, of course, have not been made public. The Bush administration refused to release them on national security grounds. The ACLU first requested those in a FOIA request something like 5 years ago, and just a day ago, the Obama administration received a 30-day grace period to decide what it will do. Are you disappointed that the Obama administration has not been more immediately transparent?
I am disappointed because part of President Obama's his quest has been accountability and transparency, and he promised that. And certainly as candidate Obama and as Senator Obama, he pledged transparency and accountability. So I think it would be a big victory in that regard if Eric Holder, the Attorney General, would move on this current report that's being done by the Office of Professional Responsibility.
If it is found that pressure was put on White House lawyers by senior officials at the Justice Department, how could the Justice Department hold those officials who have left? How could they hold them accountable, and what do you think would be reasonable?
I think they can hold them accountable in a number of ways. The Office of Professional Responsibility is able to make both criminal referrals and referrals to the state bar disciplinary authorities. It boggles my mind why right now, according to the Newsweek article by Isikoff, they are only considering bar charges. Both criminal and bar referrals were made against me for a lot lesser conduct than what you and Bybee engaged in. I think it would be entirely appropriate for criminal referrals to ensue and for bar referrals to ensue against the people who wrote these memos and who ordered this conduct.
Aside from your sort of professional view of you and Bybee, do you have any personal animosity towards them?
No, not at all. I don't know them. John Yoo had been at Yale Law School around the same time that I was. But no, I have no personal animosity against them. And in fact, the full force of the entire executive branch that was unleashed against me actually occurred during Ashcroft and Gonzalez.
Well, finally, Jesselyn, the Congress jettisoned the whistleblower protections that had been in an early version of the stimulus bill. What's the loss, and who do you hold responsible for that?
You know, we were really happy that the House voted in favor of whistleblower protections in the stimulus bill. Certainly when you're about to spend $1 trillion, it seems logical to have them. But apparently they got stripped out during conference. And I really think it would be helpful if President Obama would step up and say that he endorses having whistleblower protection when it comes back up again, which it will. Meanwhile, in terms of the Office of Professional Responsibility, they referred me to the bars back in 2003, and it was based on a secret report I didn't have access to, and that referral is still pending after more than 5 years.
Unbelievable. Jesselyn Radack, Government Accountability Project. Jesselyn, thanks so much for coming in. We appreciate it, and good luck to you.
Thank you so much, David.